In this video, I'm going to show you how to access the points list for a Siemens MXL fire alarm panel. So you have the front screen here. You have your Siemens logo. Down the bottom here, you have your MXL. And just for reference, on the inside, you have your CPU here. You have the Siemens model MKB-5. So that's our little CPU screen here. So I believe this is after they acquired Cerberus. I think this used to be the Cerberus system, but then the Siemens acquired them. But so you have your menu screen here. You have your number buttons. You have your control menu buttons. You have your function buttons and your disables, acknowledge, alarm, silence alarm, trouble, all that. Your screen, your up and down, and more info. So for us, we're going to want to enter or hit the enter button. So it's going to start us in our menu. And it's going to give you 4 options: acknowledge, list, control, test. And you can use the arrows, the forward and back arrow. So if I hit the forward arrow, it's going to go to the right. So you see the little cursor flashing. So if I hit the forward arrow, it's going to move over to list. So now I'm on list. Hit the forward arrow again. Now I'm on control. Hit the forward arrow again. Now I'm on test. And I could keep going right. And I get a walk test. I get another option. Keep going right. I get acknowledge list. There's a bunch of options in here. I'm not going to go through all of them because it kind of takes a while to scroll through this thing. But I'm going to go back to the front. This is where we started. Oops. There we go. So this is where we started. Acknowledge, list, control, test. We're going to go to list. So I'm going to hit the left arrow to go back one. So now we're on list. Then I'm going to hit enter button here so you can see. And now we're on the next screen. So same thing. We're going to scroll until we find the option we want. So we use our left and right arrows. So right now we're on status alarm supervisor. So I'm going to hit the right. It's going to go from status, alarm, supervisory, trouble, security, sensitivity, voltages. Reading this to the camera's annoying. Sorry. Temp. So here's a module type, and here's device type, and here's message. So these are kind of the main 2 we're looking for. Device type will tell you the type of device, module type of module, and then the message. And the message is kind of the description what we're looking for. So I'm going to select message because I want to kind of see the devices by their names. So I'm going to hit the enter button here. And now it's going to ask me for the module device number. So it's going to be 2 sets of 3 digits. So it's going to be the first 3 digits are going to be the loop, and the second 3 digits are going to be the device. So I'm just going to start loop 1. So I'm going to hit on the numbers here. I'm going to hit 0, 0, 1. So it's going to be loop 1. And then I'm going to hit the next set of numbers. I'm going to just put 0, 0, 1. So loop 1, device 1. We're going to start right there. I'm going to hit the enter button. So now you see our message. It's 001-001, manual pull at F9. So F9 for this particular building means column F9. So that's the location. And if I hit the enter button, I'm just going to be scrolling through. So right now we're at 001-001. So if I enter, it goes to the next one, 001-002, manual pull at 1A2/8. I enter again, it goes to the next one. 001-003, manual pull at K8. Hit the next one. I could just keep scrolling, hit enter, 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 right? And I'm just scrolling. You see I'm at module device 9, device 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I can just keep going, right, through this whole loop. But I'm not going to do that because there's a lot of devices. So I'm going to hit, if I want to go back, I'm going to hit this up arrow right here. So right above the enter is the up arrow. So now I'm back at the previous screen. So again, we selected message, but let's look at device type just to show you that. So again, we'll have my left and right arrows. I'm going to hit the left arrow. Now I'm on device type. I'm going to hit enter. It's going to ask me the same thing. It's going to ask me for my loop and my module. So again, I'm going to start at the beginning. 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. Then I'm going to hit enter. And now it's the same device as before, but now it's just telling me the device type. So it's just a manual station. And if I enter, it's device 2, manual station. Device 3, manual station. Device 4, manual station. 5, manual station. 6 is a module, tri-module, 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 right? So now I'm seeing the descriptions for those devices. If I wanted to, again, I could hit the back button. I could go back. So let's go back to message. And then this time I'm going to hit enter. And then this time I'm going to do loop 2 now. I'm going to go, so 0, 0, 2. I'm going to go 0, 0, 1. All right, 0, 0, 2, that's the loop, and 0, 0, 1, that's the device. So I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm on loops 2 devices. So you see 002-001. This is DS, which stands for duct smoke, building 153 AC7 roof. So if I hit enter right here, again, I'm going to start scrolling through. So now I'm on 002, try shutdown, try module shutdown, device 5, duct smoke detector, device 6, smoke detector, 7, duct smoke, 8, duct smoke, 9, smoke detector. Like I said, I can just keep hitting the enter button and just scrolling through the device by device in order of the numbers. And again, same thing. If I wanted to hit the up arrow, I could go back, and I could look at device type or module type, whatever. But I'm more interested in the message. I want to know like the description of where it's at, right? So that's why I do the message. So this is kind of a way for you to go through the digital interface and look at your device layout or your device list without like pulling loops. So traditionally, you'd open this up, and this is a node card, but you would have your wires you'd be pulling off of the card, which would give you a list of troubles, and then they would appear on the panel, and you can go through the list that way. So this is just a easier way of doing it for the digital interface. But in advance, though, you're gonna need to know like how many loops, devices on the loops, things like that. So I already know on this particular system, it starts at loop 1. So I was like 001, then 001, loop 1, device 1, and I just went from there. But this is just an easier way, hopefully, for people to kind of get an idea of just what's in the building. So I hit the up arrow, I just scroll back, and now I'm back at the acknowledge, list, and test. And I can't remember if I hit clear and it goes back, or I hit the up arrow and go back. Well, it'll reset on its own. I forget the exact process. But anyway, I just kind of want to show that video just so people can go through the digital interface on the panel without having to pull wires to create troubles, or if you need to rely on an older device list or something like that. This is a way for you to kind of verify yourself. You can just go through device by device, loop by loop, and kind of just see what's in the system. So anyway, that is how you access the points list for the Siemens MXL fire alarm panel.